It is such a rainy, cloudy, windy, cozy day today, so there is no way that you are getting me out of my pajamas today. Also, I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I'm still sick. It has been 2 weeks. I could not get rid of this cough. Last night, I fell asleep on the sofa, I think maybe around midnight, 11:30, and then I woke up after an hour and then just could not for the life of me get to sleep. I was feeling super restless. My hyperfixation recently has been that I really want to decorate my computer area and make it like really cute and aesthetic and girly and cozy. So I've kind of been obsessing over that and just constantly looking online trying to find things. So I kind of ended up doing that. From like 1 a.m. this morning until about 6 a.m. Then I was kind of able to rest and I fell asleep watching Friends. The rain woke me up. I slept like 2 or 3 hours last night. So, and I am not a coffee drinker. I'm also not an energy drinker. So thank God it's Saturday, honestly. Anyway, we are here with freshly washed hair. I'm going to be cutting my hair today. And at first I wasn't really sure what haircut to do today because I haven't done the wolf cut, but the layers in that are kind of like a bit too intense for me. So I didn't want to do that. And aside from that, at first I couldn't really find a new haircut tutorial to try. But then I came across Paul Watts' Sabrina Carpenter tutorial. So I'm kind of gonna take that as inspo today. I'm not gonna do the front piece as short. We're maybe gonna go down to, I don't know, cheekbone length, nose. We're not gonna go too crazy there. And I'm also going to kind of, oh my god, my hair. I'm also going to mix in the beard cut with this. I'm going to lower this a little bit so that you can see my hair because it's very long. I would say currently I have a little bit of layering going on, nothing too crazy. And I did learn in my last video that I cannot see without my glasses. So I do not want to fuck this up, so I'm gonna wear my glasses to cut my hair today. I hope that they don't get in the way. By the way, side note, I kind of did a Sabrina Carpenter inspired makeup look today. Okay, so first what I want to do is kind of separate the front half of my hair just behind my ears. This is really hard to do without a mirror, but if you've been seeing my recent videos, you know that the lighting in my bathroom is not the greatest. It's super yellow. I'm gonna trust that they are the same. Kind of looks like the same amount of hair. So I'm gonna tie this out the way for now. I'm gonna tweak this haircut because I don't want the back to look completely flat. So I'm just separating that in half. I'm just doing my own thing today. Are these decisions the best ones to be making when I'm probably sleep deprived? Probably not. This technique here is called the beard haircut. I do have a video where I do all of my hair like this, but I thought that for today's haircut to kind of trim and shape the back, I will do this technique for this section. The Paul Watts one is slightly different because he did a kind of twist at the back. So in the middle it's shorter and then it goes longer, but I didn't like that. I much prefer a U shape. So I'm not sure how much to cut off. Oh no, maybe that much. I don't want to cut off dead loads. I washed my hair before I did my makeup. I thought that it would have dried more than it has. Okay, so that's our length cut. So now I'm gonna try and cut off roughly the same amount, or if not more. So now I'm just brushing this section out, trying to smooth it out. My hair gets so tangled. The thing that I liked about Paul Watts' tutorial that I saw is that that he definitely wasn't a perfectionist with his sections or how the hair was laid. So I don't know, I think this kind of haircut perhaps doesn't need to be perfect, and if you're gonna wear it wavy, I guess that can be a bit forgiving. So I'm tying my hair here. If I bring it all the way forward, that's gonna give us more layers, but I think I just want them to be subtle in the back. So I might brush kind of at an angle like this, purely going off vibes today. Making this up kind of as I go along, even though I'm supposed to be following a tutorial. I don't know, maybe I should cut off that much. I feel like most of that looks quite thin and dead. So I was a bit more generous cutting that section because it's the layers and my layers are kind of all outgrown right now. So I like to go in again just to double check I didn't miss any pieces, and would you look at that, I did miss this piece right here. Okay, I'm gonna clip this out of the way, and then I want a kind of middle part for this, although I don't know, I never wear a middle part. And I'm gonna section the triangle for the kind of front portion. Maybe this is too big. Shall we roll with it? No, I think he did a smaller section. I think he said like to the cheekbone roughly. I would say there, kind of to my cheek. They look super different. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna go with this. And then this section we are again gonna tie up kind of like a unicorn. I don't know if that's okay, I think. Ah! Oh my god, I just cut my finger. Fuck. God, that's a bad cut. Wait, let me go and sort it out. Okay, I'm back. That would not stop bleeding. So my boyfriend came to my rescue. We got it to stop bleeding as much as possible, then quickly put this on. But, trigger warning, lots of dry blood on my finger right now. So in a couple of hours, I'm gonna have to take this off and clean it and stuff. Hopefully we have no more accidents and I can finish this haircut. I definitely should go to sleep. I'm just gonna tidy this up because I feel like I always cut at an angle. Don't mind me just wiping my skin off my scissors. Oh god, I almost cut my other finger. My god, I swear to god, I need to stop. Okay, so this, I do not want it like super short. I'm thinking chin length, because then at least I can tuck it behind my ears and whatnot. Oh, this feels like a lot. Goodbye, blonde hair. Probably dead ends. Goodbye. I don't know, I feel like when everybody else does this hack, they end up with their hair kind of layered, but I'll leave it at that. We can't play around too much, judging by the way I'm behaving today. I'm gonna take this down and kind of see how the layers look. Okay, I feel like wet, it's already looking nice. It's like not drastic. I feel like there isn't like a disconnect between layers. Anyway, I'll go and dry this and then kind of show how it's looking. Let me show you the back while wet. So this is how it's looking so far. I mean, I don't know, I don't think the change is a drastic one. It's definitely very subtle, but I do feel like it's added, I don't know, more body to my hair. I was debating attempting to film 2 videos today and doing my hair wavy and trying a new gel, but I decided, of course, I have to honor Sabrina Carpenter. So I'm gonna put these in my hair and wear these for the rest of the day and take them out tomorrow and show you the results. So far I'm loving it. This part scared me at first, but I just need to get used to it. and it looks weird when it's not styled, but it still looks good. I like it. Let me know what you think. It's the following day. I'm kind of dying to take these out now because it's pulling on my hair a little bit, and yeah, I don't want to give myself a headache because coughing is already doing that for me. I just want to get a look at how the haircut turned out. I love the shape. Like I said, I don't think it's super different to how I had it anyway, but I love it. Make sure you watch next week's video so that you can see how it looks when I wear it wavy. And if you can't see, I'm gonna get back to watching Inside Out 2 and coughing my guts up. See you next week. Hopefully I'm better because 2 weeks being ill sucks. See you next week. Bye. I think